Guys, you're welcome once again to another brand new tutorial. As you know already, I'm Quabs. So in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to add multiple domain on one host plan, okay? On one share host plan, okay? So before you can add a multiple domain on one host plan, make sure you have the domain on the same registrar as the host. I guess I'm making sense. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to use Namecheap for this tutorial. So this is the domain. I'm going to add it to the host plan. Okay, Bombsy Gadget. Okay, so this is the host plan. This is the share. It's a share host plan. Okay, steadyin.net. Okay. So now, the first thing you need to do, if you don't have a domain, you purchase the domain. So after you purchase the domain, then you follow this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, let's go to our host, to our share host plan, then click on go to cPanel. Okay, so we're going to do a whole lot in cPanel, so let's wait till it finishes loading. So now it's done loading. So what you're going to do is to scroll down and click on Addon domain. Okay, so at the domain section, click on Addon domain, and as you can see, new domain name, you enter the domain you just purchased. Okay, yeah, so this is the domain I'm using, Bombsy Gadget. That's it, Bombsy Gadget. So I'll copy the domain, then go and paste it there. Okay, so for the subdomain, don't paste anything, but just click on add domain. It will automatically be placed over there. Okay, so when you are done, so you click on add domain. So in case maybe you want to create an FTP account, then you check that, then you enter your password. But I don't recommend creating an FTP account. Just click on add domain, then we move on. Okay, so let's wait till it finishes loading. Okay, so we are done now. As you can see, the domain has been added successfully. So let's check from here. So let's go back to the cPanel, then go back to the domain section. Okay, then click on domains. So when you click on the domains, you could see I have two domains over there, the steadyin.net and the bombsygadget.com. I hope you are seeing the same thing at your side. Okay, so in case maybe if you want to remove the domain, then you click on remove. Okay, it will remove successfully. Okay, so let's go back to the cPanel and let's see where our files are going to be stored. So let's go to file manager. Let's locate file manager. Then you could see the domain my file has been created, my folder has been created, Bombsy Gadget. So that's where all my files will be stored. Okay, in case if I install WordPress, there's the place where it's going to be stored over here. Okay, so if you haven't installed anything on the domain, I'm not sure you're going to see this thing. So furthermore, let's go back to our registrar, then let's continue from there. So we are going to change the DNS of our domain. Yeah, we need to use the same DNS of the registrar. Okay, yeah, but most of the times when you bought the domain from the registrar, it's most of the times it's already there. But it's better you view this tutorial so that in case you find any difficulty, you know how to find yourself out. Okay, so now if you don't know the name of your DNS, like I mean your name server, your registrar name server, you can contact the support and they will provide it to you. Okay, all right, so here let's go back to the domain, then click on manage. So you scroll down and locate, you can locate name server. Okay, DNS. So we click on custom DNS, and then we enter our DNS over there. Yeah, so we enter 2 DNS over there. So I'll copy the second one and paste it the name server too. Then I'll take on the green. Yeah, I'm done. So that's how it is. We have successfully added another domain to our shared hosting plan. So now we have two domain on one shared hosting plan. So it is very simple. And most of the times when you're done with this process, it takes 1 hour or 24 hours for the domain to propagate you back. Yeah, for the domain to propagate. So we could wait for 24 hours or maybe in an hour time, then you try install. Maybe you are trying to create a WordPress website, then you try to install the WordPress website. So that's it. Let's meet at the top because that's where I'm gonna be. Quaps. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Don't forget to drop a comment. Okay, bye.